In this video, we listed the 5 best mechanical keyboard on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Ajazz AK820 Pro. The Ajazz AK820 Pro is a high-quality 75% compact mechanical keyboard with a TFT screen for real-time updates and customization. It features PBT keycaps in OEM, MOA profile, offering a superior typing experience. The keyboard supports wireless and wired connectivity, with Bluetooth 5.1 for faster response and power saving. It also includes a 4000 mAh battery for long-lasting use. The gasket-mounted design coupled with a flex-cut PC plate and PCB ensures a unique typing feel. With its compact design and interactive interface, the Ajazz AK820 Pro is suitable for both enthusiasts and professionals, providing a sleek and efficient typing experience for desktop, laptop, number, and tablet applications. Number 2. Aula F75 Mechanical Keyboard. The Aula F75 Bluetooth wireless keyboard is a high-end mechanical gaming keyboard with a 75% layout and RGB backlighting. It features a gasket structure with excellent noise reduction, multi-device and wireless connection options, and a hot-swappable PCB compatible with 3-pin, 5-pin switches. The keyboard comes in for different colors and is equipped with Leobog Reaper axis, Leobog Greywood axis, or TTC Crescent axis. It has a 4000 mAh battery and is compatible with various operating systems including Win XP, 7, 8, 10, Android, iOS, and Mac. The keyboard also comes with a driver download link for additional software support. Number 3. Aula F87 Pro Mechanical Keyboard. The Aula F87 Pro Mechanical Keyboard is a high-quality, 87-key keyboard with 3-mode connection options, wired, 2.4G, and Bluetooth. It features full-key hot swapping and a gasket structure, ensuring a smooth and comfortable typing experience. The keyboard is designed with PBT plastic keycaps and supports dye sublimation printing. With RGB backlighting and a mechanical access key technology, the Aula F87 Pro is suitable for desktops, laptops, tablets, and more. It is a versatile keyboard suitable for standard, ergonomic, and gaming use, making it an ideal choice for various applications. Number 4. Ajazz AK820 Pro. The Ajazz AK820 Pro mechanical keyboard is a high-quality, 82-key wireless keyboard with a PBT plastic keycup material and dye sublimation printing. It features hot-swappable switches and dynamic RGB backlighting, making it suitable for gaming, office, and multimedia use. The keyboard also includes a multifunctional knob and TFT screen, offering 3 modes for versatile functionality. With features such as gasket construction, multicolor backlighting, and compatibility with Win, Mac, and PC gamer accessories, this keyboard is designed to meet a variety of user needs. Additionally, the keyboard is CE certified and comes with the support of the Heinz-concerned chemical brand. The seller provides wholesale options and discounts for bulk orders, with service available during specific timeframes for different time zones. Customers can also contact the seller for address changes, shipping options, and return, refund inquiries. Number 5. WOMIER Gaming Keyboard. The WOMIER AK820 is a 75% layout mechanical keyboard with vibrant color multimedia screen, featuring a DIY multimedia display screen design in the upper right corner. It comes in 2 color options, white Kanagawa and black Kanagawa, and is made of PC plastic with a US ANSI layout. The keyboard has pre-lubed linear switches and is hot swappable, with a gasket mount designed for maximum comfort while gaming. It also features an EVA positioning plate and bottom filling for a soft and responsive feel. The keyboard is compatible with Windows, macOS and has a USB Type-C interface. It is a premium custom keyboard with a sleek black theme style, perfect for desktop, laptop, number, and tablet applications.